guys, I'm Tracy from Winning Home Improvements and welcome to our recent Birkdale renovation that we've just completed. We have an ensuite, bathroom, laundry and some custom joinery. Come on in and have a look with me. Now here in the TV room, we have made some additions to this wall here and we've brought some battening in to help create a beautiful nook for the TV cabinet. Now this is custom made and fitted to the wall. Now smart design has allowed that to come in, so it's elongated the wall and we've put some strip lighting in, lots of storage, and it's now a beautiful space for the family to enjoy. So the advantage with partnering with Winning Home Improvements is that we are able to watch over the design for you, and some of the things that I take into consideration really make the difference. For instance, the battening here has been added to the wall, but it has been cut so that it is sitting on top of the TV unit and then added underneath, not just run behind. And that will give us a really custom finish and prevents a gap behind the TV unit. The other things are the cornicing was removed and put back on, and these are the things that make the difference. Now here in the lounge room was a square set opening and we needed to bring some privacy in. So we have introduced a barn door slider, and this allows the privacy to be happening in the TV unit with this gorgeous bifold barn door slider. Come and have a look at the laundry with me, and who doesn't love a fitted out laundry that functions really well? So here previously we had a washer and dryer in the corner and a small sink in a cupboard, not really functional. We have introduced a tower for the washer and dryer to sit one above the other. There's this handy little roll-out shelf that you can put your baskets on. This is a roll-out ironing board that's folded in half. That lets the client do all their ironing, and then this gets tucked away when it's finished. We introduced two wall-mounted clotheslines, one at the top, one at the bottom, that are flat and mounted against the wall when not used, and then it's a simple fold out and slide out the bars when you want to hang things from them. So partnering with Winning Home Improvements also includes myself from Winning Interiors, and I'm doing all the designing for cabinetry. Here I've made sure the cabinets have loads of storage on the inside and they have gone all the way up to the ceiling. We have really high ceilings in here, so no dust collection at the top. Also, we have got beautiful tiles in a subway, but to achieve a beautiful seamless look, we've made sure the set out's been thought about. We have cut the top and the bottom evenly to have a full one in the middle, and that's why it looks harmoniously beautiful. So the main bathroom is an absolute transformation. We did have to move some doorways and change some wall structures to get this in, but we have fitted custom joinery cabinetry that goes wall to wall, along with a shaving cabinet that goes wall to wall as well. And its inclusion is some strip lighting to dress that up. Here we have a wet area where the shower and the bath shares the zone, and we've blocked that out with half wall and frameless glass on top. Now the family has everything they need to enjoy. So when we meet up with all our clients, we learn a little bit about them and their family's needs. And here, for the toilet, it was just a standard toilet. They have often family coming and staying with them. So we decided to turn this space into a powder room that had its own vanity. To achieve that, we took away the storage from the laundry side and took back that footprint here. Now, who doesn't want a beautiful space for guests to enjoy? We've included an in-wall cistern and a very functional vanity for guests to use when they come and stay. Welcome to the ensuite, and who doesn't love a gorgeous large walk-in shower? Now, to achieve that, we made some floor plan changes. We removed a bath that was under the window. We repositioned the toilet so it wasn't the first thing you saw when you walked in, and that became a beautiful cistern in-wall toilet. Again, custom joinery, wall-to-wall fitted and shaving cabinet. And then we did a beautiful long niche, and that gives you all the storage you need for the shower. Hey guys, if you've been watching us for quite a while and you love the transformations that Matt and I are achieving, this is because we are both interior designer and builder, and we love to come up with the best way your space can give you more footprint. So reach out if you've been thinking about getting in touch. We love to do bathrooms, kitchens, or the whole home.
What we valued most about partnering with Winning Home Improvements was the ease with which our job went. Nothing was a problem. The design process was easy. Matt and Tracy were very easy to communicate with. They were always available if we needed anything, and yeah, we were just extremely happy with the whole process. Partnering with Winning Home Improvements was very easy, and compared to other companies that we've dealt with in the past, everything was laid out from the start. We knew exactly what payment system was going to be, we knew exactly what everything was going to look like, because we were able to go into Tracy and Matt's office, see the whole design on a large TV screen, which for me was wonderful to be able to see it on screen exactly what it was going to look like before any work was even started. So we were able to make minor adjustments to the plan. Everything was sorted before any work began. My favourite part of the whole transformation, that's very hard to say because I absolutely love everything. I love that our boring old toilet is now transformed into a gorgeous powder room. Everything is just so functional. Even though it looks spectacular, it's functional, it's easy to clean. I don't know that I have a favourite. Everything is wonderful.